An immediate investigation has been ordered into operations at the Kingston Public Hospital following news of the improper disposal of the bodies of two neonates which were being stored at the morgue at the hospital. The investigation was ordered by the chairman of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, Sarah. Details in this report. Recent news that rocked the Victoria Jubilee Hospital, according to Senior Medical Officer Dr. Orville Morgan.
The police were alerted to a baby's body being found at the back gate, let's call it that, the gate that's to the western side of Victoria Jubilee Hospital.
And so the hospital was shocked by that discovery, as bodies are stored at the morgue at the Kingston Public Hospital, which is on the same compound. Preliminary checks reveal that the cleaning of a freezer at the morgue may be at the center of the problem.
And to clean out the freezer that had babies, they had temporarily put some of the babies over into that freezer. And apparently that's where the error occurred. Normally, these body parts now that are tagged for disposal are sent to a special area where they are, properly processed and sent away.
So the Southeast Regional Health Authority says the morgue supervisor has been immediately sent on leave until the investigation is done. Protocol dictates that bodies which are stored in the morgue should only be removed once the burial order and release forms are signed. The procedures for storing and disposing bodies will also be reviewed. Sarah says the findings of the investigation will be made public.